Hey guys, it is Friday and we made it through the week. But we actually did, so I'm actually super excited that this is our last video for this week, so we can get a chance to kind of relax, take a break, and regroup for Monday. But we have a couple of assignments that we're going to do, so I'm going to jump right to it. We have a 90-second worksheet of multiplication that we will do at the end because I want to walk you through what to do first on your actual assignment, and then we'll come back. Mrs. Heard-Hixon will set a timer for you, and you can actually do your 90 seconds right here on this video, okay? But let's go ahead and get started. We are still working with algebraic expressions, and remember, algebraic expression has a variable. It also has an operation and a numerical value. We're going to be using PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Good grief. Remember, multiplication and division will go with whatever comes first in the equation, okay? Now, we're going to fill in, work out, and color. That's exactly what this activity is all about. So I have that x equals 7 and z equals 4. Okay, so I'm going to put 4 over 4 plus 7 squared. Now, based on my order of operations, I'm going to do exponents first because there's no parentheses, and exponent is my next step there. Okay, so once again, I'm going to rewrite to have 4 over 4 plus 7 times 7. I'm going to rewrite over here 4 over 4 plus 49 because 7 times 7 is 49. Now I'm going to work on my 4 over 4. If I have it in number over another number, I can also divide if it's in fraction form. So that's 4 over 4 is like 4 divided by 4, which equals 1 plus 49. My answer is 50. Okay. Now I have to go over here to my charts. Okay. It says for problem number 1, I'm going to color them all green. If my answer is 50, I'm going to come over here on the back until I find my 50. And I see my 50 down here. And I am going to color that green. It doesn't say what color green. Let me make sure I don't have light green in here. I don't. It doesn't say what color green, and Ms. Heard-Hixon is going to give us a light green color. It is something about coloring that's so just common to me. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I love when we can actually mix work, like actual work that we have to do in school with color in some kind of way. I absolutely love it. So I'm happy that we get to do it. All right, so I got my 50 colored in. I'm also looking to see if I see any more 50s, and I don't. Just that one. Okay, now let's go back to my work. Question number 2. I have 8 over 4 times b plus c. Okay? All right, let's plug in 8 over 4. Put that in parentheses, times 8 plus 7. I have parentheses first on both sides, so I'm going to do parentheses first on both of them, okay? So 8 divided by 4 is going to give me 2. And then I have 8 plus 7 gives me 15. And when I have two numbers in parentheses side by side, it means I'm multiplying. So 2 times 15 is 30. My answer is 30. Okay? All right, so now I'm going to come back. Uh-oh, come on. Number 2 is orange. So I'm going to come over here, find the 30, and color her orange. She's kind of hiding in there. Hey. Oh, here's another 30 up here. And I see another one down here. I think that's it. I think that's all my 30s. Alrighty, one more. Alright, x is 3, y equals 4. Let's plug them in. 4 plus 3, and then 4 to the exponent. Alright, even though I have parentheses here, I don't really have much inside each parentheses to do. I'm going to go straight to my exponent. So I have 4 plus 3, 4 times 4, because that's what my exponent means. Rewrite. I know rewriting is so annoying, but it actually helps you with your equation. Okay, so now I have addition and multiplication, but I always know that my multiplication comes before addition. So once again, I have 4 plus 3 times 16, 48. 4 plus 48 is 52. So my answer is 52. So number 3 tells me I'm going to color red, and it's 52. So I'll come over here to find what my red is. Let's see, where are we? Here we go. This is 52, so I'm going to color this red. And guys, even though it's coloring, you don't have to color all sloppy. Like, take pride in your work, even if it's just coloring. Doesn't have to be absolutely a Picasso picture, but take pride in your work. Okay? There's nothing like just being prideful of your hard work. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay? And then I have a 52 here. Look like my owl's gonna look a little mosaic kind of. Alright, so Miss Heard's gonna finish coloring up. And she's also going to post a video of just 90 seconds so that you guys can actually work on your test, because I'm going to run out of time and it's not going to record and it's going to throw you off. Okay, so this is what we're working on. You'll go back and you'll actually work on more equations and more coloring. Okay, if you have any questions, once again, you know how to contact me. If not, call or text me 256-513-8064, or you can email me rheard-hixon.rheshba@gmail.com for now. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend, okay? Bye.